I've been using the LG 27G640A for a while now, and honestly, this monitor is kind of a beast in 2026. So on paper, you're getting a 27-inch QHD IPS panel with a crazy 300 Hz refresh rate and 1 MEMS response time. And yeah, in real use, it actually feels that fast. Fast-paced games like shooters feel super smooth, almost no motion blur, and input lag is really low. Color-wise, it's a solid IPS panel. You're getting around 95% DCI P3, so games look vibrant and sharp. It also supports HDR 400, but don't expect true HDR performance. It's more of a nice bonus than a game changer. Now the stand is fully adjustable, height, swivel, pivot, all of that is included, which is great for long sessions, but it's not perfect. The speakers are just okay, and out-of-the-box calibration can be a bit off depending on your unit. So is it worth it? If you're a competitive gamer who wants 1440p plus ultra-high refresh rate, this is honestly one of the best value picks right now. But if you want perfect image quality or true HD, you might want to look higher.